Hello, this is Zippo Care. Today, we're going to pick up where we left off with how to self-fix your Zippo. We're going to cover the most popular question: how to fix the stepped pulley in Zippo in detail. So, let's start by fixing the stepped pulley. To fix stepped pulley, the best tool is a pair of pliers. If you look at this plier, you can see that I've sharpened the tip with a file to avoid damaging the hinge. You can also get flat pliers or something like that online, and that's the best tool. The best tool to use to fix stepped pulley is flat pliers. You know, the ones that have a point on the front? Let's try to fix the stepped pulley. First, remove the insert. As you can see, the top case is sticking forward when closed. And the hinges are wobbling up and down and side to side. So what you want to do is, first of all, open it all the way up and put the pliers on the hinge. And then we're going to go this way. So if you're looking at the case from the front, you can think of it as an upward motion. At this point, apply a little bit of pressure and flip it upwards. And then if you close it, you'll see that I've only done it once and it's already lined up perfectly like this. There's very little now, right? If the top casing is sticking out, just hold the pliers closed and then flip it back. And when the bottom case is popping out, flip the pliers forward from the closed position. Again, if the top case is sticking out, hold the pliers and pull it backwards. Next, if the bottom case is sticking out, hold the pliers and push it forward. In this case, the top case was sticking out a little too much, but we got it just right. But now the second problem is that the hinge is wobbling too much. So, first of all, like I said, you're going to want to get the right stepped pulley first. And then you tighten the hinge. This is a really important skill, because how do you do it? You get the hinge, and then, watch this, you pull it forward, and then you break it off like this. After you get the hinge, and you come out with a snap like this. You don't want to use too much force or you might break the hinge, so use a moderate amount of force. The part is a circle, so you can think of it as pulling it to tighten it. The pliers are pressing and pulling. That's how it feels. See, it's a lot better this way, right? It's got a good amount of stepped pulley. Let's do it again. Push the hinge and line it up a little bit. And then I'm going to do what I said the second time. I'm going to press down and pull it 2 times. Oh, it is not shaking even a bit. That's a huge improvement from where we started. And now you can see, the stepped pulley has been almost perfectly adjusted. So let's put the insert in, and let's test it. It's sticking out a little bit, just a little bit. You don't want to take the insert out in this case. If you want to make a very small adjustment for the stepped pulley, do it with the insert inside the case. It's sticking out a little bit in the forward direction. You can grab in the opposite direction and give it a little push. Just hold it there. Just a little push, and then release. And if that doesn't work, you can try the method that we talked about in the beginning. Hold it and pull it back. It's a very fine difference in this case, so you'll need to control the force. I'll push it. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. And then check again? Okay. Now it's perfectly adjusted. Then I'll put the insert in, close it, and check. It's almost adjusted, and the wobble is completely fixed and no longer wobbles. So that's how you fix Zippo Lighter's stepped pulley.